Hi, my name is Dr. Greg Rabideau, and I'm a candidate for U.S. Congress, District 7 in the great state of Tennessee. And I've been campaigning now with my team throughout the district. It's a big district. It's got 15 counties in it. It starts at sort of the tip of Clarksville near Fort Campbell, 101st Airborne Division, goes south, and then west all the way to just about the tip of Memphis proper. And we've been working hard the last year and a half or so, getting our message out. And our message is really essentially why I decided to get into this race and be a challenger for this seat and to begin with. And it's really around four pillars of my campaign. The first one is I know we can do a much better job of developing sustainable jobs and developing and turning the corner in our 7th district as far as economic growth is concerned. And I have a plan that I've developed with my team, in part also drawing from my background as an educator, as a former business manager and trainer, and as someone who's been working in these issues for years now. It's a SMART plan. It stands for Strategic Management of Accessible Resources and Technologies. Boil it down, it's essentially saying, look, we can do better. We can maximize our advantages and opportunities more in new and emerging growth industries. We can develop more sustainable and effective collaborations between public, private, and academic sectors for our people of the 7th. We can retool and retrofit as far as some of our basic manufacturing, developing into advanced manufacturing. We can get our folks who have skills, who are looking for an opportunity, that opportunity, and put them on the right track so that they can jump in and not only lend a hand, but put their skills to work for all of the 7th District, and for that matter, all of Tennessee. So I have a plan. So my number one pillar really is jobs, economic growth for our district. We're doing some things right, definitely in our state, but we need to do more, especially in the alternative, renewable energy industry sectors, solar power sectors, and going from that basic to advanced manufacturing. Second pillar, education. As an educator, we've got to do more to support our quality teachers. We've got to be able to recruit, retain, and reward quality teachers for our state of Tennessee, work more in applying innovation in our schools, and making it a real partnership between teachers, students, and family members, and those parental support, which is so crucial to developing our students, not only for today, but they're going to be the ones that we're going to depend on in our job and workforce for tomorrow. Third pillar, we need to make and keep our promise that we made to our veterans and our military personnel and our military families. It's one thing to develop and to put money into defense contracts. Many times those are outsourced business conglomerates. It's another thing to get that assistance and benefits directly to the people who have risked it all for you and I and our freedom today and to the future. Got to make sure we keep that promise to veterans and our military families and military personnel. The other pillar that's important to me, of course, and there was a lot of debate over this past summer and the past several months, is health care. Now let me just say this. I think we all can agree that the system we've had for a number of years is a hodgepodge system. It's kind of an incoherent system. It has sort of evolved. It's broken. We need to continue to fix it. Congress took some important steps. The job is not done. I will continue to advocate for a health care system that works for all Americans, that does not work as a drag on our economy, but helps companies be able to hire and afford to provide health care, but give people options, give people other choices, so that health care, that basic worry about whether you, your loved one, your family will be healthy, can be a thing of the past, and we can get people moving forward again. Another issue of why it's so important that I'm running in this race and what I'm committed to is our seniors. We've got to protect and preserve the fiscal stability and integrity of Social Security, not just now, but to the future and forever. We just had its 75th birthday. I want to make sure it has 75 more birthdays. I live in Clarksville. I'm proud to be a Clarksvillian, proud to be a Tennessean with my wife and my son who attends public school. I support, as I said, education, economic growth and jobs, our seniors, our veterans, and we need to do more to relieve the burden on our middle class. We get all these things together, I will work hard and advocate, and we'll put this district and state back on the track it needs to be. Come November 2nd, I ask for and would greatly appreciate your vote. Vote Rabideau on November 2nd. Thank you.